Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to know if someone pinned you on Snapchat. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application and then click on the friends icon at the bottom left corner. After that, you will see all your chats. So if you want to pin someone, you need to press and hold on any chat you want, then manage, then chat and notification settings, and then pin conversation. And that's how you can pin some chat. But if you want to know if someone pinned you, actually you can go to that person's profile, and as you can see, there is no information about it. So the only way how you can know this is to ask this person if he pinned you or not. So, and that's how to know if someone pinned you on Snapchat. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.